Hi everyone, Lisa here from LC Designs. I have a new class for you and I'm so excited. I'm using the Inspiring Imperfections bundle. When I first seen this in the catalog, I overlooked it and I ended up ordering it and fell in love with it. I created some amazing cards for you to recreate, and I just love the bundle. I don't know what to say. So let me go over what my class options are. So pretty much the full option to go kit is you're going to get the supplies to make 5 cards. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So you'll get the materials, all the pre-cut materials to make those 5 cards, plus 5 basic white envelopes so that you have them for your cards. You're gonna get a half a package of the Kintsugi. So the suite is called Kintsugi Inspirations. The bundle is Inspiring Imperfections. So I'm calling it my Kintsugi Inspirations class, but the bundle is Inspiring Imperfections. So you're going to get a half a pack of this beautiful designer series paper. So this one you can cut, you're going to actually use your bundle to cut these out. Remember, the bundle is not included, so you will need the bundle. And if you add your bundle, I will put it in your class kit, and I'll pay the tax and shipping from Stampin' Up, but I'll include it in your class kit. Here's another. It's petal pink. I know my windows, it's bright. It's so hot. If I look hot, it's hot today. I think we're 101 and I have the AC going. Here's another piece. So one side's got the gold in it. So in case you don't know, Kintsugi is a form of art that the Japanese do. When pottery breaks, they repair it using a gold lacquer, and then they end up, showing the beauty of the pottery instead of the broken pieces. So one side's got gold, the other's solid. I know these are hard to, there you go. So that's got the blue. This is the gold. Flip this around, put it behind this one so you can see it better. And then there's this one with this backside of the blue. So you'll get a half a pack, which is 2, 4, 6 sheets of designer series paper, which is going to be plenty for your projects, and you'll have some left over. You'll get the flower accents, a package of those, and you're going to get a package of the gold and silver trim. I like this gold trim to go with the cards that I made. So you'll end up with bonus silver. You can use silver for whatever. So that whole to-go option where you'll get the elements, the envelopes, the half a package of designer series paper, the flower accents, the gold and silver trim, a PDF tutorial, so with pictures for each project, priority shipping and tracking with a special gift for me for $55. If you're local and you'd like to pick up your kit to go, it'll be $45. And if you want to just purchase the PDF, that's $15. So if you have any questions, just let me know. I will put the registration link below. If it's on Facebook, it's going to be below in the comments. I found out when I attach a link in Facebook that you don't see my posts for whatever reason. I guess they push those aside. But if you're on YouTube, it's below as well under all my descriptions. All right, remember you're going to need the bundle though. So if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks everybody. Bye.